Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on.
So y'all know I like to hop right in the video. I got my stocking cap already on, edges already displayed. Y'all know I got a hole up in my stocking cap. It's just I accidentally put a hole in it with my nails. So I'm taking right now my favorite spray, and I have used this spray in some of my other videos, and I'm spraying my stocking cap so it won't move anywhere. And this is my wig right here, guys. I think this is like 28 inches if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, closure already been dyed. I already pressed it out and everything, and I even tinted the lace with this stuff right here. You guys, I don't know how to pronounce it. Evian whatever, and this is what the lace looked like after I sprayed it. And this is what the inside of the wig look like. You know, it has these adjustable clips right here, which really come in handy. I thought I was gonna have to add a band at first, but the clips, they really be helping. So, you know, I threw the wig on already, and the thing just looks good. Like, look at it. It's matching my skin and every single thing. And I over bleached the knots on the closure a little bit. You can see right there in the part, but you know, we're gonna fix that in a few. Like, y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna fix that, but I'm just putting on the wig, guys. And if y'all just see me talking, I'm on the phone. That's why I'm doing a voiceover, because I was on the phone throughout doing my whole wig and whatever. So yeah, voiceover. Anyways, I'm just brushing it, getting all those knots out, and I had already cut off the lace like accidentally, but whatever. I didn't glue the wig down yet, because you can see the baby hairs are still there. So I'm using my Evian lace glue, and I used this glue in my previous video, and pretty much all the products that I'm going to be using in today's video are by Evian, whatever. So I'm using a lace glue, the lace spray, I used a lace tint, and I'm also using the edge control. So every product that I use in this video is by Evian. So I'm putting the glue down, and as I told you guys in my last video, the glue turns like this metallic blue looking color once it touches the skin. And with this one, I not accidentally, because I knew what I was doing, I didn't blow dry all the way because I was just like being really impatient. So, but it was tacky, but as you can see, it's not fully blow dry to where it was clear. Where I put the wig down, you can kind of still see the glue a little bit, but it's all going to work itself out in the end, as you're going to see. Just, you know, trust the process. This is one of those trust the process moments. So I put the wig down, and I'm using the back of the comb to kind of like press the wig into the glue and making sure it's like really stick. The glue, it works. It does work, guys, because I have tried it in my other wig video. So the glue, it holds. It's really, really good. It's just that I don't know if I'm not putting it on right. Maybe I should use the back of my cone instead of a popsicle stick to kind of spread the glue out so it can spread out more thin and more even. That way it just dry more. But I'm using more of my Evian hairspray, and I put that on. I blow dried it some more, and then I'm going to kind of just tie it down so that it can just stay and dry while I kind of style the rest of my hair. So I'm just about to twist up the baby hair so they won't be in the way and they won't get messed up and mushed in with the rest of the hair. So that's what I'm about to do. And with my bands, I've been trying to find a black band to tie down my edges, but y'all don't bought them all. Like, I don't know why I've been going places and I can't find none, because y'all don't bought them all. Like, dang, how many y'all need? So I had to go to Walmart, and I got this white elastic band from Walmart. And I mean, it was cheap. It was like $1 or whatever, but I want a black one. I can't find a black one. Can y'all stop buying all the black ones? So I got this one from Walmart, and I'm just gonna use it to tie down my edges, whatever, while I'm waiting on it to dry. So get y'all one of these elastic bands. So as I told you guys earlier, remember I told you guys that I messed up, I kind of just over bleached the knots in my closure. So usually I'll go and buy some brown hair dye, and I would put it in this little brush thing, but I could not find mine. So I'm just taking some black mascara, not eyeliner. I'm taking black mascara, some mascara I do not use anymore, and I'm kind of just scooping it over the hair to kind of make the knots in the closure disappear. So this is a trick that you use, and as you can tell, look at how my part looks. It looks way better than it did before, but I'm gonna go over it later on with the brown hair dye. I'm just gonna go back some more. So while we're waiting on this to dry, I'm kind of just brushing it out, getting a feel of it, and now we're about to take this band off our head, honey. So we take the band off the head, you see it melted in, except for that one part right there, but that one part, you can see that little white right there, that's not the hair glue, that's actually the spray, but it's all gonna work out. Like, it's gonna be, it did melt though. You can see the rest of it disappeared, but whatever. I'm using this pen to push back my hair so that I can cut off this lace, and I'm gonna use like regular scissors to cut off the lace. Well, not the lace. I already cut the lace off. I'm gonna use some scissors to cut the baby hairs. That's what I was trying to say, the baby hairs. So I just cut a straight line, and then I'm gonna go back in it afterwards while I'm styling it to kind of cut the rest off what needs to be cut off. And I'm just plucking some more of the hair off because it's a little bit too thick to my liking. Like, I don't like it thick like that. Like, I don't like that. So I'm just using my tweezers to kind of like pluck some more of the hair away, or whatever the case may be. Guys, after I took this wig off, I kind of went back in and I plucked it some more around the front of the hairline. But right now, I didn't do that. So this is what we got. So I'm just plucking it to make it a little bit more thinner, so it won't be those thick baby hairs. And I'm using my Aussie my Aussie mousse. I don't even think I have any Evian mousse, so this is like the only thing I use. But y'all know I love my Aussie products. I use everything down from their shampoo to their curling products for my curly hair. So I just threw some of that on my baby hairs. So now we're about to style these things, just cutting off any excess hair I see. And I'm using this edge control brush. So this is my favorite edge control brush. Like, I have a lot of different kinds that just have like the brush on one end and a comb on the other end, but this one has the brush and a comb on one end. It has like the parting part on the other end. You see that in my hand? This is my favorite edge brush. Like, I would definitely recommend this edge brush over any edge brush that's ever out. So now I'm just styling my baby hairs, guys. I'm still, kind of new to styling baby hairs. Like, that's why mine's gonna be looking like that. But it's a work in progress. Like, I ain't gonna discourage myself. Like, that's why I'm saying it's a work in progress, because I'm gonna get better at it eventually. But this is what we got for right now. This is what it's giving. So I'm just styling my little baby hairs or whatever, and we gonna get it right. We gonna get it right. Fixing the hair, swooping them back, putting that edge control in that jump, that mousse in. And like I mentioned, the edge control that I did use for this video is by Evian also. They have some of the best edge control I ever tried in my hair. So now at this point, we're pretty much done. Like, the wig is done. I'm trying to zoom out so you guys can see it or whatever. And I'm eventually going to like zoom it out some more. But looking at the hair, I was like, it's just too plain. Like, I'm combing it and I'm like, it looks cute, but it's too plain. Like, it's missing something. Like, the whole time I'm looking at it, I kept looking at it and I'm like, it's missing something. You know what? I need some layers. A bad bitch needs some layers so it can frame her. Like, I'm about to say frame. It can frame her face. I was about to say firm. I meant frame, so it can frame her face or whatever. So I'm cutting some layers in this thing, and I'm just using some scissors, some regular shears to cut some layers into the face. I'm going slow because I don't want to cut any big chunks out. I don't want it to be looking like I just hacked at the hair. So I'm cutting slow, and I'm cutting at an angle, as you can see. I won't say that I'm a barber or whatever, so I know how to cut hair, but you can learn some basic stuff by watching videos. My godmother had a salon, so I kind of pretty much watched her, and cutting layers, it isn't hard to do, but it is a lot of practice. And I would say just take your time when it comes to cutting layers. Like, I didn't go deep and crazy with the layers, but I just did a little bit to frame my face because the hair was just looking too, I don't know, too long, too straight. Like, it wasn't, I don't know. So I'm just cutting some layers around the face and stuff like that. And I told you guys, I was on the phone, so I'm just basically just whatever. So I cut some layers. You can see it right there, a little bit of layers. Like I said, I didn't go crazy with the layers because I didn't want it to mess up my face. So this is what we got. This is what we giving or whatever. So this is the end. Now, I went to go change and do my makeup, and now look at me, I'm a bad bitch or whatever. So I'm cute, I'm real cute. So I'm just posing for you guys so you guys can see. Look at my hair, look at my makeup, my dress is cute, bada bing, bada boom. And also, you can still tuck it behind your ear, and that's it. That's the end of this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that's it, guys. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.